guys, I have a new release to play with. I'm so excited. Can't wait to share the stamps with you. We're going to make a card today, but let me share the 3 new stamp sets with you today. First, we've got the Happy Together stamp set. It features a couple holding hands, and I just love this stamp set. I love that you can play with different color combinations. It's perfect for Valentine's Day, happy anniversary cards, lots of possibilities. So the second stamp set is Bouquet of Happiness, and this one we're going to make a card with this one. I love those florals. They're beautiful. The artist that drew them, her name is Lusana Lowry. She did such a wonderful job with the 2 stamp sets. She did the ones with the hands and the flowers. That third stamp set is called Sprinkled with Love, and that's one that I did, and we'll make a card with that in another video. So I'm inking up the stamp set with my Handy Ink Navigator kit. This kit is available in the shop. It is awesome. It really does help with saving your hands from getting ink all over them. I love that tool, and that tool is from Multiplicity Crafts. If you missed yesterday's video, we're doing a hop, so we have lots of inspiration for the stamp sets. Plus, you can buy the Valentine's Day box. The stamp sets are included, plus 2 paper pads, 2 sticker packs, an ephemera pack, all kinds of goodies in there. Perfect gift for yourself for Valentine's Day. Those boxes will start shipping on Monday. You can purchase these stamps individually starting on January 11th. So I've been coloring in this image with these purples, and it's turning out gorgeous. And I don't have a lot of experience coloring florals, but I think the trick to it is to get the darkest colors in the little nooks and crannies there. And I've used BV08 for my darkest, and then BV04, BV02, and then BV00. And I'll do this big cluster right here for you. So I'm going to start with my darkest, and I'm going to go in where like a petal is behind another petal. So this petal here looks like it's going to be in shadow right here, and then the lightest highlight on the outer edge of the petal. Now, I'm not an expert with the shadows and stuff. I just do what I feel. So I'm going to put some dark here on the back of this petal. So I'm going to go around all these petals here to get some of my darker shadows. So I'm going to work in smaller sections. It's easier to blend before the ink dries up. So we're going to move to the BV04. And I'm just going to go over that darkest color and blending all of that out. So we'll move to the BV02, and then we'll leave a little bit of space for our next lightest last color, BV00. I do want to go back a little bit with my other colors. So BV02, I'm just going to bring out some of the color a little bit, just so we could get a better blend. And then the BV04, just to get a little bit of better blend on some of these petals here. And I'll go back with that BV02. Really, really pretty. Now, if you really want to learn how to color the stamp up, you can probably find the artist on Facebook. I follow her lives. She is, I'll have her Facebook link in the description box for you so you can check her out. Her name is Lusana Lowry. So I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I hope I didn't butcher that too bad. But she does amazing coloring, and she does a lot of drawings, and she is the one that drew this image up for us exclusively. I'm going back with the BV08. I'm going to create those shadows. Now these two, you can either, I'm guessing you can either color them so they look like they're closed petals or like they're opened petals. So I think I'm going to do them so they're open petals. So I want to do the darkest on this side and have the lightest on the outer edge of the petal. I'm going to put some dark down here, just a little bit, so we can make the petal look a little rounded. So now I'm just going to go over all those dark areas that I did. So this is the BV02, and I feel like I need to refill this marker. I could feel I'm going to do a little shadow underneath the flowers. I'm going to use W5, W3, W1, and W0. There's a splatter stamp in the set, and I'm going to take that to create some little dots on my cluster here. So I want to do like a tone on tone. So I'm going to find a purple ink. So I'm going to use the Wilted Violet. This is the only purple I really have. I'm just picking various petals to add a little of this decoration on. There, that looks super, super cool. Maybe a little bit over here. You could stamp off to make it lighter in some areas. Like I'm not even inking it up again. There, I think that looks really cool. So I love that. So now I'm gonna cut this out, frame it out, and add it onto my card base. I think I want to add a little bit of white dotting detail to my flower. I think that will just like really bring out all these colors. There, I think that looks super, super cute. I'm going to add some of these gems from Trinity Stamps. I'm just going to sprinkle those around my card. So here is the finished card. I think it came out super pretty. Love, love the flower bouquet. I added those little sparkles on there. I added those little gems from Trinity Stamps. And then my sentiment says, when I count my blessings, I count you twice. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll have the link down below to our Valentine's Day box where you can get the stamp set, plus the other 2 stamp sets, 2 paper pads, matching stickers and ephemera, a really cute pack of latte cups with different messages on them. So fun. I'll show you that in a separate video. Well, thanks guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys.